Hello, welcome. So today we are going to see trigonometry and inverse trigonometry together. So how it is going to work? Let's see, we work for sin x. Okay, similarly you need to work for others. So for sin x, let's draw the graph. So on the x-axis, we plot an x-axis and a y-axis. This is your x and this is your y-axis. This side is a positive, this side is a negative. This is positive and this is negative. Okay, so for sin x, sin 0 is 0. Sin 0, when you put the value of x as 0, sin x, that is 0, sin 0 is 0, and at this is 0 radians. Then we go for pi by 2 radians. So here again at pi by 2, that is sin 90, you get the highest number 1. So it will reach here. Then again go for next pi by 2, that is pi radians. Pi radians is same as 0, that is it will sin pi will be 0 again. So it will come here. Next we go for 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 radians. So at 3 pi by 2 radians, it will come to a value of, that is pi by 2 was up, 3 pi by 2 you have seen in the previous class that the quadrant is below. So you will get minus 1, you will get minus 1. The plot will be somewhere here. And then again you reach 2 pi radians and it will be again 0. This way you can plot the sin x graph. So you start plotting the graph. This is how you will get the graph of sin x. In the same way you go on this side and it will be the same way. We just have to write here that this will be on the negative axis, so it is minus pi by 2 and minus pi by radians. It will continue like this. So this is the graph of sin x. Then my dear friends, you must have seen that the maximum value here is plus 1 and the minimum value here is minus 1. So we have to go for the domain. What is a domain? X is the domain. So domain can be any real number. Any real number can be on the x and it will be the domain. But the range, now you have seen the range, it is never exceeding 1 nor exceeding minus 1. It does not go below minus 1, never exceeds 1. So the range is fixed at minus 1 comma 1. This is for sin x in the trigonometrical standard. Now go for inverse. Inverse is just, we are talking about the reverse of this. The reverse of this means y is equal to sin inverse x. Reverse is sin inverse x. Now let's draw for this, how the graph will look like. So this is your x-axis and again this is your y-axis. So you must have seen already I have drawn a big y-axis and the x is already shortened. The reason is the x, the value, now this is, previously this was your x, that is the range was your, r real numbers was your x and the range was 1 minus 1. This time the domain is, because it is reverse, the domain is 1 comma plus 1. So let's see what happens. So the maximum value should be 1 and the minimum value will be minus 1. So at the sine inverse angles, we see sine inverse of the value 0 is 0 degree itself. But when it comes to sine of 1, sine inverse of 1, it will be pi by 2 radians. And when it is minus, you come here down and it is minus pi by 2. And you can follow similarly for minus pi radians and here too for pi radians. You can continue. So let's draw the graph. Then we see how it is. So at 0 it was here and at pi by 2 it is here and at minus pi by 2 it is here, the plotting, and it here and then. Let's see how we just join this and see. So this is how you getting a plot of sine inverse. So you must have seen the maximum value on x is plus 1 and the minimum value is minus 1, nothing below it. and nothing above 1. So this is the domain. But this time you have to consider, so what was there on the x-axis in the trigonometry, it is in the y-axis. The radians are on the y-axis, and the x-axis, here the y-axis actually, and the y-axis becomes x-axis here. So it's everything is reversed, and we call this value here from minus pi by 2 to pi, this value, because this is the thing which repeats. So this value minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is called as the range. Is called as the range. So your range lies minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And one thing you should note, that the line, there is values further, but we are talking about principal. That is why this is called as principal value. Principal value. Similarly, all other angles have the same properties, and you can continue. Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe to us. Bye.